Hey guys, and welcome back to Star Stable. We're here with Nightstar and Rainbow, and yeah, we're in for a Pinta. Because last video, oh, the girl's just chilling on the statue. So remember, last video we learned how to jump, and this time, last video I said that next time we would go do a quest for Penny and Polly. So I'm just on my way to go meet Penny and Polly, or at least one of them. Hello, Penny. Hello. Do you have a second? You do? Super duper. My sister Polly and I have ordered a whole lot of jumps and decorations for James that we are going to use to build a pony competition course. Isn't it great? I know ponies are best, right? There are no real competitions for just ponies, so we thought we would set up Silverblade's first very exclusive pony competition. But this is not what I wanted to tell you. It has been several weeks since we placed our order with James, and I've seen that he has a big package there that has been there for a week. It has to be our order, but whenever I try and talk to him about it, he runs away on some errand or another. He's avoiding me all the time. I don't know why. He was really nice when we paid him for our order. Can you maybe speak with him and find out what's going on? Sure. You can. Super duper. But be sure to come back and let me know what you find out. Okay, so we're going to run over to James. Okay, nobody's in the disco. Whee! I'm jumping. Boom! My fault. Yeah. Okay, that was probably a really stupid thing to do. Woo! Around the curve! Jump around the curve! Or not. Or not. Maybe. Never know. Boom! 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 Oh, okay. Hello, Emma. Are you here to ride in my competition for real horses? No? You want to know where the jumps Penny and Polly ordered are? Sigh. Yes, I have them, but I can't give the jumps to them. It would be bad for my business, you understand? No, I don't. Oh, wait, that was the wrong quest. No. Wait, isn't it? No, it is. Okay, so we do have to take pony photographs. Sorry, guys. Okay then, Emma. I guess you're right. A deal is a deal. But I'm going to lose a lot of money because of their pony competition. I'm sure of it. How about you help me out with a little thing and I will get their delivery ready. Deal? I don't trust your deals, James. Great. Ride down and take some pictures of the ponies on the barge. Barge? Guys, you have to tell me if I'm saying this wrong. I'm going to print some postcards and sell them to tourists. Good idea, right? So I should be able to make some money on those little horses after all. Come back when you are finished. Great. Just by the way, you're not that tall either. So you don't get me to be mean to ponies. You're not so tall either. That's not nice. It's not nice to be mean to ponies. It's not their fault that they're small. Jump. Okay, that was such a mistimed jump. Just saying that aloud. Boom! Oh, watch this, guys. Boom! And I died. Sorry, Nightstar. Sorry. Come on. Let's see who's quicker, that Lusitano or we. Lusitano. She's gonna go jump. No. Beep! Oh, we're photobombing. Rainbow's photobombing the video. The photo, I mean. Sorry. We're going to photobomb the video because we're awesome. Nope. That would have been epic. Oh, God. Let's go on the other side this time. Boom. Awesome. I wonder how you get to lead your horse. Maybe you have to do a quest for that? I'm not so sure. We're not going to photobomb. Ah, yes we should. Otherwise it'd be unfair to the other horses. Boom. Oh, no, but we can't cover him completely. That'd be mean. Photobomb! Ah, too late. Let's ride over back to James, see what he's up to. And Nightstar! Nightstar! What were you thinking? Actually, give me an idea. Boom! Oh, good. It was a bit too close. Yes, it takes a little while for Ferdinand to open his little shop, I guess you could say. Boom, we're awesome. And another boom, because we're just awesome. And a tight boom. Boom. Let's go Nightstar. And by the way, this sound, it's not me going. It's just the game. Not that you guys thought I'm, like, stupid. Boom. Ah. Sorry, Nightstar. I just love jumping. It's awesome, I know. Let's see. Excellent. This will be perfect. Okay, so while we were busy photographing small horses, I got Polly and Penny's order ready. It's ready to go, and as compensation for the delay, I'm going to deliver it to their competition location for free. What do you mean, strange? That I'm doing anything for free? Emma, inside my little chest beats a heart of pure gold. Heart of gold. If that's true, maybe I can replace it with the cheaper pacemaker instead. Gold heart must be worth quite a lot of your shillings. Sorry, Emma. I was just daydreaming for a second there. Ride back to Penny and let them know their delivery is on their way. See, this is why I don't trust you, James. I'm not trying to be mean or anything, but you never know. You never know who you can trust in this crazy world. And jump! Boom. Are we gonna time this one properly? Yeah, boom. Oh! Okay, next time, I'm sorry. Maybe we can't jump that high. Boom. Okay, Nightstar. Okay, I'm done now, Nightstar. I'm done. Let's go. Run, 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 run. Oh! If I finish this quest, actually, I should move up a level. Nightstar might too if he gets any XP. Guys, do you know what this green thing is? I don't know. I know what the orange is in this XP, but I don't know what that green thing is. Hi, Emma. How did it go? James has sent our order? Great. You're the best. Emma. Yes, I leveled up, guys. Emma, now it is finally time to put the competition track together. Meet me and Polly at Pony Point, please. We need your help. Pony Point is behind John Joel's Tome, between the Tome and the Silver Song River. I'll just fix a couple of small things first, then I'll meet you out there. Okay, well, I'll meet you out there then. Am I like gonna meet her there? Because I don't see any green things. Huh. Nightstar, do you know what we're doing? No, you don't? Oh, there, now the green dot showed up. There we go. Boom. Now all the championships will be way easier. Boom. Nightstar, you didn't jump. Gotta participate. Okay, I know you're actually the one jumping and not me, but like, you know what I mean. You don't? Well, you're gonna have to live with it. Okay, we're almost there, I think, at least. I don't know. thorn rocks. Maybe that's what they... Oh, guys, I know this is totally off task, but I really need to try something. Boom, boom. Run, run, run. Boom. We're awesome. Now, what if we jump? Boom. If this fails, it's not good. Oh, okay. We're good. We're good. Run, Nightstar. Run like the wind. Okay, now run, Nightstar. Run like the wind. Here we go. There we go. And jump. Oh, that was a big jump. Jump. And stop. Hi, Emma. I got a ride with the fishing boat, so I got here faster than I thought I would. Okay. Okay, so now the fun work can start. We are going to put up the jumps on the course, Okay, so now the fun work can start. We are going to put up the jumps on the course, but put up all the signs and rig everything up so it's nice and clean. There's a lot to do, but with help it should go quickly. Emma, could you take the jumps out and put them up? They're so heavy that it would be great if you could take them on your horse. That way Polly and I don't have to carry them all over to Pony Point. You can? Thank you. Come back when you are done, and you can be the very first rider to test out the course. Okay, so let's go, Nightstar. See, you're a strong horse now, aren't you? Like now, aren't you? Yes, you are. Oh my god. This was really stupid. Oh, okay. Nightstar. Nightstar. Focus. Boom. Then we're gonna go around if Mr. Perfect doesn't want to jump. Oh, yep, that was really bad. Sorry, my fault. My fault. Boom. The stupid thing is, if you guys... love how the water even reflects it. If you guys go around like this, it just pushes you back, which is kind of mean and stupid. Oh. Ooh, 5 jumps in one row. This is kind of tiring, don't you think, Nightstar? No, you don't think so? No? Nightstar! We've got to work on this. Okay. 5 out of 9 placed, so 4 more. Yay, I can do math. Okay. So we are going to finish placing these. And then start. Come on. And last but not least, it went all the way in the end. Did it bring me to the front? No, that would have been great. Oh, but now I can just jump over them. Makes life a lot easier. Sorry, guys. Pause. Pause! Yes, thank you. Sorry, guys. It's just my timer. That means I have 1 more minute to finish this. Because with Screen-O-Matic, it only lets you film for 15 minutes. So. Perfect. This is going to be super duper. Now we can test the track. Speak to Polly. This is super duper exciting. So guys, we're going to leave it at that for today. And thanks for watching. In next video, we'll be back with Polly.